Hello, in front of me I've got Madden NFL 25. In this video I'll show you Scramble Survive Minigame. In the beginning, let's go to Minigames from Training Camp. Go to Scramble Survive, and now escape the pocket before it comes a penalty zone. Then try to touch down.
Here we go. Here we go, here we go.
Next, we can go to Scramble Survive Full House.
Here we go.
The rules are similar.
Here we go. Gun. Here we go.
This time we've got 8 seconds until we can throw a ball.
Get set. Here we go.
And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.